Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Example of facial not meeting the Jonas X. The definition of a facial in navigation is specific, and yet it can still be confusing. To clarify the definition, it helps to understand what ships are not qualified under the Jonas X for the definition of a seaman. For example, any ship that is in dry dock, on land, or other construction is not a fleet operating or capable of moving and do not meet Jonas X qualifications. Another important example of a vessel that does not qualify is an oil drilling platform. Although it is in the water, it is not a flight because it is insured to the ocean floor. It is not a vessel in navigation because it is not designed to move. It is a permanent structure. There are laws that specifically deal with this offshore platform as they do not qualify under the Jonas X. A vessel that is navigable and afloat will not qualify if it is a new vessel being tested for a seaworthiness. A ship that is being navigated to make sure it is ready to be sent to whoever has purchased it is not a vessel in operation. It is not participating in commerce, and it therefore does not qualify under the Jonas X if you are injured while working on it under these conditions. A seaman's contribution to work of the vessel. There is one final aspect of qualifying under the Jonas X, in addition to the in navigation and significant amount of times qualification. This third factor is the requirement that your work contributes to the workings of the vessel. The statement is internationally broad because a seaman does not have to be a sailor or someone who specifically operates or navigates the vessel. Any kind of work abroad, the vessel that contributes to its function qualifies. This means that a seaman may be a cook, a deckhand, an electrician, a pond operator, or even a musician aboard a cruise ship. Almost anyone working aboard a vessel qualifies as contributing to the work of the ship. The Jonas X itself does not include these contributing workers, but later Supreme Court decision expanded the definition of a seaman so that more than just those working on the navigation and direct operation of a vessel qualify for the Jonas X. Without this X definition, many workers aboard vessels would be disqualified. If you are uncertain whether you qualify under the Jonas X after experiencing an injury, contact an experienced lawyer to help you decide and then file a claim if necessary. This professional can also be your representative if your case goes to arbitration or to court. If you have a loved one who qualified as a seaman and died on the job, you can also rely on a maritime lawyer to help you get compensation. The Jonas X is available to help anyone who qualifies recover damage after maritime injuries. And then next, Jonas X lawyers. The process of filing a Jonas X claims, resolving the claims, going through arbitration, and sometimes going to trial to get compensation for your injury is complicated. There are many mistakes you could make while making a claims, and only an expert on maritime law and the Jonas X can really know all of the detail of the law and the process. If you are injured and feel you have a claims to the max, you need the expertise of a Jonas X lawyers. This is someone who has filed claims for injured seamen, successfully won compensation for client, and knows every detail of the Jonas X and how to get the most for you. Being injured and facing medical expenses is stressful enough without trying to get compensation without help. Know when and how to look for a qualified lawyer, and you will have the best chance of making a successful claims. And then next about a Siemens right under the Jonas X. If you work as a seaman, you need to understand your right as laid out under the Jonas X or the Merchant Marine Act of 1920. This law is designed to guarantee a seaman's right to compensation in the case of an accident caused by a ship owner's or employer's negligence. Understanding your rights is important, but the Jonas X can be confusing. Someone who has experience studying the law and working for a seaman to get them the compensation they deserve. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give, like, comment, and subscribe.